Alright, I'm gonna have a rant. I haven't had a rant in a while, but it's my birthday. I'm not feeling good. I'm already moderately annoyed because of the 8,000 phone calls and texts of people telling me happy birthday. Yeah, I get it. It's my birthday. I'm old. Get off my lawn. Anyway, real rant today. Working on the CAD. Really, people? Let's not use a gasket, so let's just silicone the bejesus out of this valve cover. Fuck's wrong with you? I get it, if you're doing an oil pan gasket, nice thin layer of silicone on both sides of the gasket. The gasket. You know, on these, when I put them back together, I'll probably put a very thin layer of silicone on the gasket. But when you take a caulking gun tube full of RTV and just the whole thing, makes for a royal pain in the ass for the next person. It's probably gonna leak because it never ever took months to set up because you have 4,000 gallons of this shit in there. Ugh, let me show you. Like, that's what I've pulled off so far. That's what's still left. And I haven't even checked the surface on the cylinder head yet. Because it took me like 10 minutes to get the damn thing unstuck. It's just ridiculous. You know, like I was saying, little bead water pump, little bead thermostat, little bead oil pan, little itty bitty bead valve cover. Maybe. Well, this probably because there's so much crap around. But I've already been scraping at this thing for like 30 minutes. Come on. Adding to my rant because I'm getting irritated more and more. Don't mind the aircraft taking off behind us. But adding to my rant, this is some bullshit a quote-unquote technician would do. Because when you're an automotive technician, you have no clue how to do anything if you can't plug your stupid little computer into it, because you have zero common sense or knowledge of how anything actually works mechanically. So, this is technician work trying to beat book time to make extra money by being a half-assed scumbucket. Do it fucking right. This is why things don't go to dealers, especially older things, because y'all are too stupid to do the job correctly.